One of the primary benefits of implementing your information governance program on GlassIG is the ability to quickly protect and preserve your sensitive information assets. From just a single glance, you can see which documents are placed under governance, which policies are being applied on those items, and which of those are either protected or potentially vulnerable to being edited or deleted. This last category is crucial due to potential litigation, audit, or other compliance activity. You may have to lock down or protect documents regardless of where they are stored. Let's take a look at how GlassIG helps you protect your sensitive and high-risk information assets. The first step in protecting your content is to identify where your information assets are stored. For example, you might need to protect content sitting on a shared drive, SharePoint, an ECM system, a cloud-based repository, or perhaps on all of these. At GlassIG, we call these repositories info sources, and you can quickly connect your info sources without IT assistance. In this example, we will define a trusted info source that will protect content, locking it down and ensuring that it is immutable. In GlassIG, a trusted info source is called a preservation center. A preservation center can be defined for the entire repository or just a subset of it. You can see your new preservation center here in the list of connected info sources. Once you define your preservation center, the next step is to create a cataloger, which scans the info source and applies a policy to any items that are stored there. You define how often the cataloger scans the info source, for example, hourly, daily, or weekly. GlassIG will automatically apply policy against any new information assets that it finds. If we are creating a cataloger for content that must be protected, we have to make sure that that content is stored in a preservation center. If GlassIG finds such content in an unprotected info source, you define whether to move or copy the content into a dedicated preservation center. GlassIG provides cross-repository search capabilities on governed content, allowing you to quickly find what you're looking for. The Information Assets Inventory view shows where your content is and what policy applies, and even allows you to take additional action like placing a legal hold. To protect an item under a legal hold, choose the relevant legal case and provide any additional details your legal team might require. If your legal hold is being placed on an item in an unprotected repository, GlassIG will move or copy the item to a preservation center, preserving the integrity of your content against spoliation. Implementing your information governance program on GlassIG not only centralizes and automatically enforces your policies, it also provides additional safeguards for protecting your valuable and sensitive information assets. Contact us to learn more or start your journey today at www.glassig.com.